Welcome to Nayo Technologies, a certified IFS service partner. Nayo has had the opportunity to help several IFS customers with these exciting enhancements. These customizations streamlined complex business scenarios, providing immediate payback in employee job satisfaction, accuracy, and reduced process time. Most enhancements do not require a change to IFS code, thus making them easy to maintain, easy to administer, and seamless during upgrades. Often, customers have unique business requirements specific to their company or industry. Typically, these needs go beyond the scope of IFS business logic. Below are some of our most popular plug-and-play solutions that can be easily installed without any change to IFS code or any interruption to operations. As part of year-end or SOX Compliance audit, system managers must demonstrate proper access controls exist that protect the company investment. For example, you may be asked to present all transactions to which an individual may have access, or which users have access to a particular part of the software. While this information is available in the IFS Solution Manager, it requires some technical knowledge to gather the information from several places in the application. Nayo Technologies has developed the IFS Security Navigator that presents user security in an easy-to-understand three-dimensional format. In this demonstration, we will show how auditors and system administrators can use IFS Security Navigator to easily maintain user access and demonstrate compliance with internal and external SOX policy controls. Begin by entering your password to log in and then click OK to submit. Next, pick a company, as in this case, Company 101. Notice the users are color-coded. Red indicates active IFS users, while gray is for inactive IFS users. If we expand a user, we can see all their connected roles. In this example, select User Elaine. By clicking the combo button in the source's name field, two types of sources are available: IEE, Enterprise Explorer Navigator, and EXE, Template Engineering. Choosing IEE will fill in the Enterprise Explorer checkbox and will also display the IFS Navigator for all available modules. This is the first dimension to looking at security data in IFS. All users and their roles are listed on the left-hand pane, and the IFS Navigator lists all available modules and their associated screens on the right-hand pane. For quick and easy reference, the Navigator is color-coded, which indicates the level of access. By doing a right mouse button on the top node, users are presented with two options: Collapse All and Expand All, to review the entire IFS Navigator. The Sales folder is color-coded blue, indicating the user has partial access. Under the Sales folder, you can clearly see the Freight Interface subfolder is red. By clicking on the Preview button, the IFS Security Navigator only displays those folders and screens to which a user has access when he logs onto IFS. Notice here, the Freight Interface subfolder is not visible since User Elaine does not have access to it. By clicking the User Access button, the system presents all user permissions per menu item. This is the second dimension to looking at security in IFS. The Security Navigator lists all available modules along with their associated screens on the left-hand pane, while corresponding users are categorized into one of three groups. Conversely, by expanding the Sales folder and the Freight Information subfolder, the Security Navigator displays all users and their level of access. Additionally, by expanding the Inventory and Part folders, the Security Navigator demonstrates you can display all users that have access to a specific window, as in this case, the Inventory Part. Finally, by clicking on the Design button, the window returns to the Navigator display. The third dimension for viewing security is by clicking the Presentation tab and the refresh icon. IFS Security Navigator displays the presentation objects coded the same as the IFS menu access. Red is for no access, blue is for partial access, and black is for full access. Then, by reopening the user pane and pinning it open, security automatically returns to the IFS Navigator tab. Hover over the Excel icon and notice the export options of export current user roles, export active users, and export all users. Using the export option eliminates the need to print thousands of pages of reports containing security information. This export option continues the IFS Go Green initiative. Click on the Export Current User Role option to export the security information for Company 101 and user Elaine. By opening the Excel file that was just created for Elaine, you will notice that the security information is presented in the same format and color scheme as shown in the IFS Security Navigator, thus indicating which IFS menu items Elaine has access. Nayo Technologies has made managing security in IFS extremely easy. System administrators and auditors can easily present and review IFS security data in three-dimensional formats. Node modification to IFS source code, and similarly, we can work together to build new smart plugins on any functionality within IFS that will help improve your business process. Please contact us at info@nayotech.com to begin the installation process, and for additional information on IFS Security Navigator or any other smart plugins that have become so popular with IFS customers. Thank you for your time and interest.